1, 2, 3, go. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है।
The super talented Gen Next super actor Ranbir Kapoor totally wowed his fans at the top-notch entertaining exclusive Bollywood Hungama meet and greet for Rocket Singh at the Yash Raj Film Studios in Mumbai. Ranbir completely rocked his fans and had great fun with them at this meet and greet.
Bollywood Hungama is such a platform which makes you meet your fans, you can interact with them, and it's great, they always give you honest feedback, they give you a lot of love, they give you a lot of support. So thank you, Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you so much for being here. I know it's a little late for Rocket Singh since it's I think 4 months late, but really glad that all you guys thank you so much for participating in the Bollywood Hungama contest. So any questions, fire away. Don't censor anything, you can ask me anything, I'll answer everything. Ask me anything, ask me how I do. Ask me how I do it. I'm doing good. Actually, I have 1 month off, unfortunately, so I really don't know what to do with my time. Actors are such people that when they don't work, they really don't know what to do, and they really don't have a life. So we're used to working every day. So I'm trying to take a day at a time, trying to learn the guitar, trying to learn football, and just passing away my time.
So you're killing time and you have one month off. Even I have a 1 month off. Let's go for a date.
Let's go for a holiday. What date?
Go on.
Let's go.
Seriously?
Seriously, let's go.
Oh, I'm gonna meet you after.
Hi, Priya here. I'm going to join you too with Croco. And I will not ask you how you're doing because I'm doing very nice after seeing you. I have not been crazy about an actor. It's just you. Seriously, I love you totally. And I hope you do the best of films and good luck from my side.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I hope I don't let you down.
Oh, never.
What do you think of Bollywood Hungama?
Well, it's my favorite website. I mean, I'm not the brand ambassador of Bollywood Hungama to say that. But every day when I log on, that's the first website I think every person from the film industry goes to. You have all the reviews, you have all the news, the trade news, you have the new trailers on air, everything. And so it's my favorite website. I've heard about there's a forum also on Bollywood Hungama. I haven't been on there, but I've heard a lot. But it's a good website and it's pretty accurate, and I can really vouch for that. It's not a website that fabricates stories. It's not a website that just puts in articles for the sake of it. It's not like most of the tabloid papers nowadays. So that's why it's one of my favorite websites.
I just want to know, who is your idol?
My own grandfather, Mr. Raj Kapoor, I always aspired to be a filmmaker. So I hope that I can follow his path. I hope that the light that he showed me, I'm here today because he showed me the way, and I hope that I can make my family proud.
I like you in APK GK.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie actually is not because I'm here today, but is Rocket Singh Says One of them. It was a movie which was really close to me. I really believed in the film and Shiva's vision, Jaideep's vision, and I had a blast with the film. The actors were amazing, the script was amazing, the dialogue was amazing, the whole shooting experience was amazing. Unfortunately, not many of you all went to see it in the theaters, but it's a film that's truly special to me in all its way. What's up, man? Cool, yeah?
Thanks. Would you like to try this hairstyle?
Honestly, I was trying to grow myself this haircut, which was also on my forehead, but it's not this one. This is really cool. Show me your profile. Look left. That's very cool, man. Very cool. Don't cut your hair, let it grow up.
I like your shoe.
You like it? Thank you. What's your shoe size?
Mine is 8 or 9.
8? Well, mine is 11, so we would have exchanged.
If you want, I'll come.
No, I don't think I fit into your shoes.
No, I think
I'm 11, you're 8. I don't think that's possible, bro.
Oh, no.
Thanks.
When you were a child, what school were you in?
I went to my university. I spent I think 2 years in Learners Academy. Then I went to Bombay Scottish. I finished my 10 years out there, or 12 years, and then I went to HR college for 2 years, and then I went to America and I did course in filmmaking and acting. Which school are you in?
I am in Pathways World School.
And what grade are you in?
Third.
Third. You're doing well in school or?
I'm doing well.
Doing well, you look like you're doing very well. Thank you so much for coming.
How much time do you spend in gym daily?
Gym, I hate the gym. मुझे gym बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. But I have to go because it's an occupational hazard. It's a visual medium, so you have to look decent. But I'm not muscular, as you can see. मैं बहुत पतला हूँ. But I like staying fit. I spend 45 minutes in the gym. If I don't go to the gym, I try and play football. I try and run. I cycle a lot. So these things keep me fit. Also, my mother is a health freak. So at home, she's constantly giving me lectures about health food. So by the end of it, you're like, come give, and you start eating it. So that's, I guess, I have to attribute all the success of me being thin to my mother.
आप तो एक्शन फिल्म क्यों नहीं करते सर?
हाँ जी?
एक्शन फिल्म क्यों नहीं करते?
अरे कोई मेरे को एक्शन दे ही नहीं रहा यार. ये चेहरा देख के बोलते कि ये चेहरे के हाथ में एक गन एक गुलाब और अच्छा लगेगा.
Okay, I actually have a request from all your fans who are there on RKF and following them on Twitter.
Don't make me sing or dance, please.
No, please come on Twitter.
Twitter?
Yeah.
See, you know what? The thing is, again, it was miscommunicated. I said I hate Twitter and all of that. It's nothing of that sort. It's just that I haven't. I find these social networking sites very addicting. And I have an addicting personality, so if I come on Twitter, I'll probably live on it. And I really don't have anything interesting or intelligent to say. So I'm trying to shy away from it as long as I can, but I'm sure that it will bite me at some point. So soon. But as of right now, I'm really not interested.
What about the fans who are calling that fake guy? It's true.
But please tell them that's not me. I mean, I've not really read his stuff, but I've heard he writes stuff like very bizarre stuff. But Harshita, please help me and ban this guy. Thank you.
I just want to tell you, like, all the fans don't like you because of the role that you play on screen. They love you because you're Ranbir Kapoor, and they love you because you are Ranbir Kapoor.
Thank you so much.
Please don't get out of your head
so
again.
sweet. Thank you.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.
Thank you.